Dear students, welcome to your physics class. Last classes we were learning how charges are produced by rubbing. Dear students, today we are learning how lightning is caused and how it do to protect ourselves from the effect of lightning. Our ancestors in olden days, they were afraid. They thought, as I said, devil gods visiting them during lightning. But nowadays, we know the cause of lightning. During thunderstorm, air currents move up. Same time, water droplets goes down. Water droplets goes down. Their vigorous movements causes separation of charges in clouds. Positive charges are accumulated the top edge of the clouds. Positive charges where will accumulate? The top edge of the clouds. On the other hand, negative charges are accumulated the lower edge of the clouds. Similarly, there is a accumulation of charges near the ground also, positive charges near the ground also, where positive charges will accumulate at the top edge of the clouds and negative charges in the lower edge of the clouds, and near ground there is accumulation of positive charges. Then though air is between clouds and the ground, there is air layer. This air is though poor conductor of electricity. They cannot no longer resist the flow of charges. They cannot no longer resist the flow of charges. So what will happen? Charges will move down. When charges will move down, what will happen? Positive and negative charges, they will meet. It causes streak of bright light. Spark, streak of bright light. This streak of bright light will be seen as lightning. Also, thunder is a sound we hear as thunder. So, positive charges, negative charges, they meet near the ground and will be seen as lightning. This lightning can occur between cloud to cloud also. Sometimes we see splash in the sky because of cloud to cloud charges meet and produce streak of light, bright light. Similarly, it can strike the ground also. That time charges are meeting on the top layer of ground. Then it is harm for us if we are on the way. On its path it will be harm for us. We have to protect ourselves from the effect of striking lightning. So that only next we are going to do, what we have to do and what we don't do during lightning. hope everybody understand what is the cause of lightning. Next we are going to do what we have to do during lightning. We have to rush to open place or hide, which place here it is good for to protect ourselves from the effect of lightning. We have to move away from open place. Open place is not good when lightning strikes. So we have to rush to safe place. Open place not good. Not good. Then we have to rush to safe place. Which are safe place? Buildings, houses are safe places. Then tall trees, is it good? Tall trees also not good. Tall trees not good. Under tall trees you don't hide. This should not. Then we have to rush to safe place. Then if we are traveling, you be inside the vehicle and shut the doors and windows. If you are traveling, then open vehicles not good. Open car or open any vehicles not good while traveling. So bus or car like vehicles means you be inside your house, your vehicle and shut the doors and windows. Then you are safe. Then don't stand near the electric poles, metal objects and all. It is a path for the discharge of electricity. Then lightning occur, charges are moving to ground. So there is a discharge of electricity. Discharge. Discharge to ground only. So if we are on this path, it is harm for us. It may cause death or injury. Then don't use umbrellas. Umbrellas holding is not at all good to protect ourselves from lightning strike. Then dear children, if you are in an open ground, suppose you may play, there is no trees to hide, no buildings, sometimes it may happen, you are on open ground open place. Then what you have to do? Then we have to reduce the effect of lightning. You should avoid yourself as a target. Which way? You have to select this position, squat block position. Squat block. Squat block means your hands keep on your knees and keep your head between the hands. Your head between the hands and your hands on your knees. Such a position you have to bend your body and then you can be not to be the target for the striking of lightning. You are not to be the target for striking this lightning. Then lightning happens time, suppose you are open place, you select this position, squat block position. What is squat block position? Keeping the hands on the knees and head between your hands. Such a position you select and you protect yourself from the effect of lightning. Then, dear children, if you are inside your home, there also you are not safe. Which way? When you are using wired phones, it is not good. Don't use wired phones. Then which phones good than cordless or mobile phones? Mobile phones good only, cordless phones also. Then if you have electrical devices you are operating, stop it, then unplug. Not only switch off, unplug it. TV, computer, unplug, so that you can protect your devices from the effect of lightning. Then avoid bathing. Why we should avoid bathing? Because there is a chance for passage of current through running water. There is a chance for the passage of current through running water. So avoid bathing. Then use only mobile phones. Don't use wired phones. And don't play with electrical devices. Unplug. Not only switch off, unplug it. Then suppose you are having tall buildings in your premises, churches, temples and all, you have to, and big buildings, schools and all, you have to protect from the effect of lightning. Then we should use lightning conductors. What we should use? Lightning conductors. They are devices to protect our buildings from the effect of lightning. What are lightning conductors? They are devices to protect our buildings from the effect of lightning. These lightning conductors, they are metal rod only, then which is taller than the building, placed near the walls, installed near the walls. You have to install it. It should be taller than our building. And the top there are point metal rod, point ends they have. Point metal ends. They are kept out in air. They are kept out in air. Then lower part buried deep inside the earth. Ground only. They are buried deep inside earth. They are buried deep inside earth. Then, if lightning strikes, they are the better passage for the electric discharge to ground. So, our buildings avoid from the effect of lightning. So, what are they? They are metal rods. The top they are point ends. They are kept outside and installed near the building walls. Then lower end buried deep inside the earth. When lightning strikes, they are the passage for the electric discharge to ground from the clouds, so that our buildings will be away from the target for the lightning. So this is a way we can protect our buildings. So discharge route this metal rod only, so buildings safe from effect of lightning strike. Dear children, read the textbook. Here important how lightning is caused, you have to learn. Then what you should do, you should not do, both do's and don't do's during lightning. Then what is the use of lightning conductor? So which device we use to protect our buildings from the effect of lightning? That is what is the name of the device? Lightning conductor. Dear children, read until you understand the concept from textbook. Then learn the question answers. Thank you children.